King is coming.
The King is coming.
Maranatha.
My name is Michelle and I come from Gulumani. Saqalisa testimony lami. Ngabuya lapha Apostle ekhulekela for you back to school. What declare ukuthi we shall not miss any opportunities, for we are the head, not the tail. Testimony lami limi kanje. Ngahamba esikolo kwahlala isikhathi and uyedwa wasembiza eofisini lakhe wathi Michelle, you have been selected to go for the SMPC challenge, standing for the school monetary policy challenge in Harare. I did not expect that. I was surprised. Uthi ngingu form 2. Why bekhethe mina bachiya o form 4 bachiya i-A level baze bazokhetha mina. Then sahamba eHarare for the school monetary policy challenge, and a child governor was supposed to be selected. So for the child governor to be selected, we were given a debate motion and we had to debate. Some stepped back to debate and Alana. I continued with the motion and I was chosen to be the senior child governor of my school. Ngathi senkethiwe uba i-child governor, safundiswa on how to be a child governor and sabuyela esikolo. Wahlala 1 week uyedwa wambiza futhi. I do public speaking le debate. Wambiza wathi sukhethiwe futhi you are going to Beitbridge for the public speaking and debate. Bazalwane sahamba and kwakulezikolo ezingu-16. I honestly never thought ukuthi ngizaba ngu-number 3 phakathi kwabantwana bonke bona laba abangu-16. Angithanda ukuba nguNkulunkulu owaba lami wahamba lami sahamba eBeitbridge saphinda saphenduka. My word of encouragement comes from Philippians 4 verse 18, which says, I can do things through Christ who strengthens me. Guys, everything is possible with God. Nothing is impossible with God. Ngiyabonga.